Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Super Center, and we're taking a look at the 2016 Ford F-350 in a Lariat trim and powered by a 6.7-liter Power-Stroke Turbo Diesel V8, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing. Coming with running boards down below, you also have a bit of a level installed, giving you some added height in the front, sitting on fuel rims, on DFG tires. And then you have a hardtop tonneau cover in the back to keep your belongings covered and protected. But let's take a look inside. Looking into the back, we have comfortable seating for 3 with a full leather interior that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo, and reveal a storage bin underneath with a 12-volt power outlet that can also be locked for security. In the middle, you have fold-out armrests with 2 cup holders, as well as having heated rear outboard seats. And this truck has a remote start, so no need to go outside to warm up your vehicle. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. You have power folding and telescoping towing mirrors, and 2 memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat and mirrors, I believe. You also have power adjustable pedals. Now, sitting in the truck with it running, you can see it's sitting at 154,807 kilometers. Moving down to the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your hands-free phone and radio controls. And on the left, you have your cruise controls, as well as your controls for your center info screen, where you can cycle through your trip A and B information, fuel economy, truck apps such as your off-road status and trailer status. And then you have settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle, and warnings such as this one being low fuel currently. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, CD, USB, Bluetooth, SD, and AV capable. So you have a ton of options there. Bottom right, you have your digital climate controls with dual zone front climate, as well as heated and air conditioned front seats. In the top right, you have your navigation, so you're hopefully not going to get lost. And shifting into reverse, you have a backup camera, so you can see where you're going. Above that, you have this compartment for storage, and as well as having your AV, SD, 2 USBs, and a 12-volt power outlet, so you can plug something into power or charge or hook up your audio. Moving down, you have your media controls, hazards, and your physical climate controls, again with dual zone front climate. To the left, you have your 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential, traction control shutoff, hill descent assist. You have a 12-volt power outlet and your diesel exhaust brake. And on the right, you have another 12-volt with a 110-volt power outlet. In the middle, you have a trailer brake controller and 4 auxiliary switches, which can be wired up however you please. And then you have 2 flip-out cup holders like so. Looking at your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears, and your tow haul mode button at the end of the stock. And moving on to your center console area, where you have 2 cup holders and your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious, but then this does lift up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck, with another compartment underneath for even more storage, as well as having another 12-volt power outlet right there. Then looking back, you have a power sliding rear window, and last but not least, you have a power moonroof so you can let in the sunshine. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.